One of the most important things to me about teaching is getting my students excited about learning and engaged in their subject matter, especially the STEM subjects. I want them to have the tools that they need to take advantage of the possibilities and opportunities that will come their way, especially now that as a society and as a world, we're more focused on science and technology than ever before. And I found that the Education Starter Kit is a great way to teach my middle school students new science concepts. Because it's hands-on, it really gets them involved in their learning and they're able to link that learning to real life. I was a bit nervous about using it for the first time as I hadn't used anything like this before, but it was so simple, it was easy to set up, and my students loved it. And I didn't need any experience in the programming, coding and electronic skills that the kit teaches because it's all step by step. It was really easy to get started. The lessons are fun and engaging, and it's all linked to real-world topics, which is so important. I found that my students became increasingly confident problem solvers, and I became more confident too.